guys, welcome to Chopping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. We are exploring places where you get best nahari or nihari in Delhi NCR. So we have already tried one or two places. So instead of Old Delhi, instead of exploring Old Delhi, today we are in South Delhi. We are in Sakir Nagar. Normally nahari is served in the morning because the word nahar means morning. But because people get up late, they have a busy schedule, now nihari is available in the evening also. So we have come to a place which serves nihari in the evening. We are in Javed Nihari in Sakir Nagar. You can see the shop behind me. There's plenty of action happening here. So let's go and join them. Come. Here we have Javed Nihari or Javed Nahari. We have a beautiful Khabiri roti. Just see, this has just come out of the oven. And I have taken a piece of the gosht, a piece of the meat, and this rich gravy which has got rogan and of course hot ghee. So I'm just going to put some ginger julienne on top of this. Just see. And of course some chili on top of this. Just see how beautiful it looks. Now for the bite, let's take a piece of the roti. It is so fluffy, it is so soft, and it's just fresh out of the oven. I'm so happy to be here because the nihari really smells nice, the roti is soft, and I can't wait to take a bite. Here is my first bite of Javed Nihari. The gravy is so thick and I can really get the taste of the ghee. You can just see how soft the gosht is. Just see. Let me try the gosht by itself. Perfectly cooked. I don't think I've eaten such soft meat in the recent times. I really cannot stop eating because it's super tasty. So this is a big bite. This is super tasty and probably the best nahari I've had in Delhi. The soul of a good nahari is this soft, tender meat. But when you take the bite, the first thing you get before you can taste that meat is the taste of the rogan. this is spicy rogan. Along with the ginger julienne, little bit of nimbu and sliced green chilies. It is absolutely divine. And then you can taste the meat. So this is a great combination. But you saw how Javed ji poured the ghee on top of this, on top of the rogan and this nalli. That enhances the flavor by 5 times. This is super tasty. If you are in Sakirnagar or Jamia Nagar, I would strongly recommend that you come here and taste this nihari. This shop is open from 5:30 onwards. That's the time you get nihari, and it's open till midnight or at many times past midnight. I'm not going to continue this talk because I have to finish this nihari. So let me take another bite. See, again I've got a fresh roti. You can see the color of the roti. It is absolutely beautiful. This is a work of art. And this Khamiri rotis, this is mind-blowing because I have not tasted or I have not seen Khamiri rotis this soft even in Purani Delhi, Old Delhi. This is super fresh and very flaky and soft. Crispy and soft at the time. You can see it is very crispy and on one side it is very fluffy, soft. Like I said, when you first eat it, the rogan and the ghee kind of coats your palate and the tongue, and it makes you ready to taste the soft meat. Actually, I'm so happy that I drove for half an hour, 40 minutes, walked through the crowd and came to Javed Nihari. This is an unforgettable experience. Great stuff. Actually, we have a notion that good nahari is only available in Purani Delhi because it originated from Purani Delhi during the 18th century. But here, Javed Nihari proves that there is good biryani in South Delhi also. So, if you want to avoid crowd in Old Delhi, I suggest that you come here to Javed Nihari and try this dish.
I have tried the nihari from Old Delhi from most of the chefs over there, like Chalur, like Shabrati, like Nora over there. But yeah, the taste which is from Javed Nihari, I guess no one serves it better than the Javed. All of the niharis are good, but I would rate the Javed Nihari as number 1.
मीट इतना अच्छा कुक है कि मुंह में डालते एकदम घुल जाता है और इसका टेस्ट ऐसा है बहुत ही मीडियम है ना, कोई ज़्यादा इसमें स्पाइसेस है या खाने में बहुत तीखा लगे नहीं, एकदम ब्लैंड, एकदम परफेक्ट कुक और परफेक्ट मसाला का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत बढ़िया।
So this was the second in the series of exploring Nahari or Nihari in Delhi NCR. I hope you have seen the last episode. We tried a Nahari from Old Delhi. If you have not seen that episode, I'll give a link right up here. But let's talk about Javed Nihari. It was entirely different experience. I think it was tad better than the last one. The Nihari was extremely well cooked. The flavors very rounded. And there was enough spice so that I could really enjoy it. I have to specially mention the Khamiri roti which they served. They were the best I've eaten in Delhi. The combination really works. The service is fantastic. There's enough place to sit around, and this Nihari place is definitely worth visiting. I hope you have liked this episode. If you have liked this episode, smash the like button. And if you are not subscribed to my channel Chopping Champion, please subscribe to the channel right now. Also click on the bell button to get all the notifications. We are also there on social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Please follow us on these social media. We also have a website www.chompingchampion.com. I will suggest or request you to check this website because we have enough food stories on this website. Till the next episode, bye and take care.